Topwater Bass Blowups of 2018. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Just want to say thank you for checking out my next video here. In this video, what I'm doing is I'm sharing with you like my top 10 best bass blowups of 2018. So it's been quite the year as a fisherman and really as someone that's focused on topwater. So I'm really excited about this whole idea of continuing this going forward into 2019 and beyond. So whether you're watching it in January or you're watching it in late 2019, doesn't matter. Enjoy these videos because these are my best topwater blowups of 2018. So please enjoy. Also, please like, share, and hit the bell notification as well, because my goal is to grow the channel, and I'm really working as hard as I can to make this the best channel possible for watching topwater fishing, learning about topwater fishing, and also basically just learning new ways and techniques to get better at it. So once again, this is Topwater Johnny with that phrase as always, keep your line tight, because when they hit those topwater lures, it's gonna be a big bite. All right. There we go.
You caught him. Oh my gosh.
And he's on a stinger. Oh my God, he's stuck. Oh, I got him.
Oh, he's still on there.
Keep the camera running.
Oh, he's covered.
I got him.
That's a nice size one too. Oh my goodness. Well, he's one of the larger ones at least in here.
Yep.
You want me to...
There you go. See there?
What part of it did he catch? Did he get
You
into?
see him there? Go down his mouth.
I'm trying.
See there, everybody? All right, bring him up. Let's see here. There he is. There he is right there. Your do-it-yourselfer right there. Stinger hook, but I got him on the main frog. This is my tackle. This is my actual tackle lure. Get it close up there. As you can see, there's the frog. There is the stinger hook right there. And this is a nice sized bass. Whoa, there we go. Yeah. Yeah. God, it's recording. Boom. Boom. There we go, baby. Straight up. Big time. Right on the frog.
You heard that?
On the top water.
Did you hear that smack?
Yeah. Wow, baby, that is nice. Look at that one right there.
That's healthy, dude. That's a nice little blow.
And he's caught on that top water that we all talk about, baby. That top water right there. That's what we're living for right there. Woo-wee. Oh my goodness. There we go. Woo! There we go. There we go. All right. There we go. Nice one. Nice one. And as you can see right here, he is still on the line. And woo, he is mad. He is mad. There we go. But as you can see, he's caught on the micro pompadour. So that's what he got himself caught on what's a micro pompadour. There we go. There we go. Woo! There we go. Nice one. There we go. Whew. Woo! Nice one. Look at this. Oh my God. Look. Everybody, Topwater Johnny here. Just got this nice one right here. Look at this beast right here. Topwater beast right here. Almost about 3 pounds. Look at that. He has totally inhaled the plug by Captain Ken, man. You better get some of these Captain Ken, dog. Get some of these Captain Ken plugs. Totally, look at that. Totally inhaled that plug right there. There we go. There we go. Topwater, baby. There we go. Woo! Topwater right there, baby. Woo-wee. Look at that. On that mega bass, baby. On that mega bass right there. That was big time right there, folks. Big time on the mega bass. There we go. All right. That's a good one. Woo! This is going to be a good one. There we go, folks. Keep it. Get him up. There we go. Whew. Oh, wow. Look at this monster. Oh, my God. Look at the size of this behemoth. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. Look at that. On the link. On the link. This big boy. Whew. Woo. That, I couldn't even hold him out far enough. Let me lay him down. Let's get away on this girl. Oh. Whew. Personal best. 5.84. This is a monster. This is a Topwater beast right here. She is a monster. Oh. Let's get a picture of her. Woo! Holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. This is the type of fish that we came here for. Let's look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. Woo! There she goes. Whew. Woo! There we go. Came up and got it. As you can see, he came up and got that one kind of slow, but he came up and got that one, so that was pretty good. As you can see, he came up and got one. That's a pretty good size one right there. No complaints. There he goes. About to quit. There we go. That mouse again. Boom. This is a nice one. Get this one in sore. Water ski this one in. Woo! That is a nice, that's a nice one right there, man. Nice fish. Nice big fish right there. Nice big fish on the mouse. I am on fire right now. I am making that happen. Look at that. Look at that right there. Big fish. Big fish. And they are on the mouse. On the mouse. That's what it was all about. Getting that hit on the mouse. So definitely Topwater is on. And hopefully you'll keep watching my videos. But Topwater is happening. Nice fish. Probably about a pound and a half or so, but this is a good catch. Nice explosion on that. There we go. All right. There we go. Hey, we got one. Hung in there and finally got one. Up in the weeds. Up in the weeds, finally. Woo! Finally, I got a little one up in the weeds there. Finally. I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna shoot a blank. So I got one little bitty one, but he was in the weeds, and I'm going to take him because it was looking pretty sad there, folks. Pretty sad, and I got one here. All right. There we go. All right. There we go. There we go. On the mouth. There we go. There we go. There we go. Get something in his mouth. There we go. All right. There we go. All right, everybody. We got him on that one. As you can see right there, we got a nice hit on that one right there. So that is a good one. Okay, everybody. Let me get this guy. Here he is. That is a nice one right there. Got him on the Captain Ken's micro frog. As you can see, let me get it up here. Once again, Captain Ken's frog right here. So this is definitely a nice one right here. So I'm really happy about that right there. Raise him up, show him out. That's a nice one right there. All right. All right, everybody. It's Topwater Johnny here. Just want to show you another one that we got on Captain Ken's micro frog. So that was big time right there. Throwing that little frog made all the difference.